Hi guys, I am so excited to be a part of the Tarot Summer School in 2019.
Let's go.
We are going to have so much fun with the Lenormand cards. I am Tony. I am also known as the Card Geek on social media. I have been teaching cartomancy, in particular my favorites, Kipper cards, Lenormand, and the Gypsy cards for a number of years now. I am founder of the World Divination Association and I teach with passion. The Lenormand is a divination tool, a deck of 36 cards that is perfect for the tarot reader who is wanting to widen their divination tool belt. Lenormand is an amazing predictive and symbolic tool, and it gets down to the nitty-gritty of life's drama, of the human existence, if you like, right down to the daily happenings and true life drama. It can complement your tarot reads, or it can be used obviously as a standalone predictive system. Jumping into a new system can sometimes be scary. We often pick up as many books as we can, take on as much information as we can so that we use our system in its correct manner, and also to try and get those predictive readings. On this course, I will hold your hand through Lenormand from scratch. You need no previous information to join this course, and I will teach you exactly how to read the Lenormand with predictive accuracy and with confidence. You needn't be concerned that you won't know the meanings, etc. We are going to jump straight in together and figure out how we use this system as an addition to our tarot. You will have to take your tarot hat off while we start with the Lenormand because it's a different reading system. However, I'll be right there in the Tarot Readers Academy Facebook group. I will hold your hand through every single exercise. I will give you feedback on your reads. I will answer any questions you have, and not only in that group, but also on the campfires that come along with the Tarot Readers Academy. You can speak live to all the teachers. We will all be there on one of the campfires to discuss the courses and any further questions you may have. On this course, you will receive full 36 card meanings. You will receive how to work with those meanings and how we can grow our readings to cover all the themes of life. The techniques we will learn in this course will be the foundations that you need to read with confidence and to move on to the 36 card GT Grand Tableau spread. You will have everything you need to take that step, but at the same time a slowly catchy monkey approach to get you where you need to be. To start the course, you will only need a Lenormand deck, can be any deck, and if you don't have one, come along with a playing card, a deck of playing cards, and you can create your own Lenormand deck. We will start on day one of the course laying the cards. This is a very practical and exercise-based course. I will give you everything you need to be the best Lenormand reader that you can be. And I will show you how the Lenormand can complement the tarot in your tarot readings so that you can provide the best reading for your querents with absolutely no lacking confidence in doing it. Lenormand can give you the boost that you need if you are wavering on your tarot reads. It is a wonderful tool for showing practically what is going to happen. And if you feel that you struggle with any kind of predictions or predictive accuracy, or as we say, fortune telling, the Lenormand can help you nail down those readings into a focus for your querent. So register for the Lenormand from scratch. And don't forget, there are so many awesome courses on this summer school. You can get a summer pass and have access to all of them. You don't just have to stick to one. Widen your divination tool belt and be the best reader that you can be. And I will see you in the lessons.